Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to look at how to install Node.js using NVM on Ubuntu 20.04. Now there are many ways to install Node.js, but in my opinion, NVM is easily the best way because with the Node version manager, which is NVM, you're able to select which exact Node version you want for which exact application or at any particular point of time. You can keep changing them, and you can with NVM you can have multiple Node instances installed on your laptop at any point of time. So that's very helpful in the real world scenario because you don't want to be stuck with just one Node.js version because let's say you're working on a project which is using Node.js 8 version and you're working on another project which has the 12 version and you're working on another project that has 15 that's using Node 15. So you don't want to be always changing your Node.js version, whereas you can just use NVM and for just that project for that particular point of time you can just change the Node.js version. So I'm going to show you how to install Node.js using NVM. It's a very easy thing, and it's also very helpful to know. So I'll have some commands here on the text file, and I'm going to put these commands. I'm going to copy and paste these commands here so that I don't make any typos and I don't end up wasting your time. And I'll also paste these commands in the description box below, so you don't have to look for them, or you don't have to look at the screen and then try and type them yourself. And this will save you a lot of time for you as well. Right. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll install NVM. Right. So I'm just going to clear and sudo apt update, which this is the standard procedure before you install anything. So I'm just going to do that. And now I'm going to copy and paste this command, which is basically installing NVM from GitHub usercontent.com nvm/nvm. It's going to install the 0.35.3 version, right? That's what this command does. And it's installed. So to me, it's saying NVM is already installed, but to you, I think it'll take a while to install NVM. Right. And then now what we'll do is we'll check NVM minus version. You can also check just doing minus. You don't have to check the minus version. And so you'll come to know that it's 0.35.3. So which is the right version? You need to be on that version. And now we'll install Node.js using NVM. So NVM install Node.js. Sorry, it was just Node. So I have the 15.5.1 already installed, and when you do this, you also get the latest version, whichever that is. Along with Node, you'll also get npm, with latest version, right? And now what we'll do is, if you want to just, in any case, see the Node version, you can see like this. And then let's say, at any point of time later on, you want to install the latest version of Node, right? So nvm install minus LTS. So LTS is the latest stable version, which is 14.15 right now. The one that I'm using, 15.5.1, is not the latest stable version, but it's the one that I have to use for a project, so I'm using this one right now. So now this is installing the latest LTS version for me. So now it says using 14.15.4, but I don't want to use that, right? I just wanted to install it, so I'm going to go back and say nvm use 15.5.1. So it's using that again. And let's say I want to see the list of all the Node.js versions installed right now on my system. So these are all the Node.js versions installed. Let's say for a project, somebody tells you, we're working on the Node.js version 8. So why don't you install that on your laptop? All you have to do is nvm install 8.10.0, for example. So all of these versions will exist on your laptop with the help of NVM, and then you can switch between any of these, which is very helpful. It's going to take a while to install it from the internet, download it, and then install from the internet. So I think we'll just wait 2 minutes. So by default, whatever version you install, it starts using that. But again, like I said, I want to ensure that I'm using 15.5.1. So let's switch back to it again. Now let's see nvm ls. Now you can see the one that we just installed. It says 8.17.0, not sorry, yeah, 8.10.0, the one that we just installed. So I can use any of these whenever I want, right? So I hope this yeah, I know the video is very short, but that's all I think you wanted to learn, just to install Node.js, right, and npm. So I hope this video was helpful. You'll find all these commands in the description box below, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to find them anywhere. You just copy and paste them and you'll be good to go. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching this video.